Guys, welcome back to the garden and to the channel. A bit of a darker day today, but just wanted to go over a couple sort of basics when planning and planting a garden. The first thing being sort of your viewpoint, your focal point. So just taking a look here, guys, where we're standing at the moment. This is taking a look at what I see out the back my kitchen window. So it's kind of the thing I see every day, and I've kind of planted and planned around that idea. So as you can see here, what we've done is really kind of left a bit of an opening in this foreground. So kind of in the front bit here, as you can see, these sort of plants will all stay fairly small, while you can see we've got the palms and things that will get a lot larger. Now, when I sort of started designing the garden, I wanted the focal point originally to be from the kitchen windows. This is kind of the area I spend the most time. Also, something I can view year round, regardless of kind of weather and temperature and things like that. But as we come around here, guys, I just want to show you another focal point that we've made. Now, this is again about drawing your eyes down the garden. So as you walk in through the back gate here, sort of right off our back door, what you see is we've got almost like a path, and the focal point idea is really to draw your eyes down to the back of the garden, giving you kind of pathways through. Now, as my garden is fairly open, I really wanted to create kind of closed spaces and almost what they call kind of garden rooms. So with that said, guys, something to think about when you are planning and planting is kind of the size you have, kind of what feel you'd like from it. I'm eventually looking to get a big canopy across the top of the garden, and then having a lot of underplantings here underneath here. Now, from this vantage point, again, your eyes follow and lead down to the mini golf course, but you can also see in the back of the garden here. So just kind of giving you a sense of scale and size when you're looking out the window, but also in the same time, once this does grow in, so it's kind of picking and choosing the right plants. I'm planting with eventual size in mind. So with the palms, I know they will grow fairly quickly and really create a kind of above canopy, which is the idea of what I'm going for here. Now, as we walk down towards the mini golf, guys, you can see focal point now as you come onto the fire pit areas. Now you've got a focal point down on the mini golf, but also out to the back of the garden as well. So again, drawing you kind of down to take a look further down the garden. Now, with the bamboo that we've planted here, guys, again, this is the idea of creating a focal point. So what I'm kind of doing with this is to create almost like a big back sort of living room, if you will. And then following from that behind here, you get the next side of it, the next room, if you will, which is where the pond, bar area and things like that will be. So I think overall, guys, really just the point of the video today is just to say, when you are designing and planting your garden, always worth thinking about kind of where you want your eyes to be drawn initially, but then also whether you're looking to create an enclosed space or perhaps even keep a big sort of open garden. Now with me, I was pretty fortunate. My garden is pretty wide, so again, creating these different sections, different rooms in the garden, so as you walk down, you discover something new as you walk around. So again, guys, just a very brief one today. Of course, thanks for watching. Drop a subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one.